The future of air dominance is being built, material by material. The US defense aircraft materials market, valued at $3.76 billion in 2024, is set to reach $6.54 billion by 2032, growing at 6.3% CAGR. From titanium alloys to advanced composites, these materials power next-gen aircraft like F-35 and NGAD, delivering strength, stealth, and fuel efficiency. With rising defense budgets and breakthrough innovations like 3D printing and self-healing materials, performance is reaching new heights. But challenges remain: supply chain risks and high development costs. Still, innovation leads the mission. Because air superiority isn't just engineered, it's built with smarter materials. Will next-gen materials redefine military aviation? Comment below.